In this video, let me show you how to fix Shazam no internet connection error. Now, if you also come across this error, let me show you a couple of solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can do is try to switch your network connection. So for example, if you're currently connected to a Wi-Fi network, you can try switching to a cellular data and vice versa. Try using this first step and try to see if this fixes the issue. If you're still having issues with it, make sure you remove the app of Shazam from your recent app list and also try to reboot your device. Sometimes your phone has glitches, and once you reboot or restart your device, these glitches should be fixed. Now, even after doing both of these steps, you're still having issues with it. The other step that you can try out is try to update the application of Shazam. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store. Search for Shazam, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. And lastly, if you're still having issues with it, the last thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the application from your device and then again re-download it. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the no internet connection error on your Shazam application. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for this one. I'm going to see you in the next video.